Hi class, in this video I'm going to be talking about multiplying and dividing integers. So pretty much for integers, a positive multiplied by a positive will get a positive, right? That's pretty straightforward. Um, a negative multiplied by a negative will get a positive. And now a positive multiplied by a negative will get a negative, and a negative, I guess order doesn't matter, right? Multiplied by a positive, we'll still get a negative. So those are the rules for multiplying fractions. And the rules for dividing fractions is pretty similar to multiplying. A positive divided by a positive gets a positive. A negative number divided by a negative number will get you a positive number. A positive number divided by a negative number will get you a negative number. And then a negative number divided by a positive number gets you a negative number. So pretty much the rules for multiplying and the rules for dividing integers yield the same results. Two positives get a positive, two negatives get a negative. I'm sorry, two negatives get a positive and a negative gets a negative, and a negative and a positive gets a negative. So here are some examples here. 4 times 5 is 20, two positive numbers. 4 times negative 5, so a positive times a negative gets you a negative, negative 20. Negative 4 times 5, a negative times a positive gets you a negative. And then negative 4 times negative 5, two negatives multiplied together get you a positive. So basically all you have to do to know, if I give you an example like 4 times 5, just know what 4 times 5 is with your times tables. And then you simply just have to change the sign based off of if it's a positive times a positive times a negative times a positive, or a negative times a negative. And the same rules for division. Just know what 20 divided by 5 is, which in this case is 4. Then you just have to change the signs appropriately depending on if you're doing positive divided by positive, negative divided by positive, positive divided by negative, or negative divided by negative. And that pretty much sums up multiplying and dividing integers.